Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a water pump on a GMC Envoy. First, ensure your engine is cool and gather all necessary tools, including a new water pump and fresh coolant. Begin by disconnecting the negative battery terminal for safety. Next, place a drain pan beneath the radiator and open the drain cock to completely drain the engine coolant. This prevents spills and prepares the system for the new pump. With the coolant drained, it's time to remove the old pump. Start by loosening the tensioner and carefully removing the serpentine belt from the water pump pulley. Next, disconnect any remaining hoses connected to the water pump, ensuring all coolant is captured. Then, unbolt the water pump from the engine block. You may need to gently pry it loose, but avoid excessive force to prevent damage to other components. Now, let's install the new water pump. First, meticulously clean the engine block's mounting surface, removing any old gasket material. This ensures a proper seal. Place the new gasket onto the engine block, or apply a thin bead of RTV sealant if your new pump requires it. Carefully position the new water pump and hand tighten the bolts. Finally, use a torque wrench to tighten all bolts to the manufacturer's specifications. With the new pump installed, it's time to finish up. Reconnect all hoses and ensure the serpentine belt is properly routed and tensioned. Refill the cooling system with the appropriate coolant mixture, then reinstall the cooling fan and fan shroud. Start the engine and let it reach operating temperature, carefully checking for any leaks. Finally, bleed any air from the cooling system to ensure optimal performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.